Hello guys, I hope you all are doing great. In this video I will unbox and review my new microphone Blue Yeti Nano. I purchased it on Amazon on sale for about 80 euros. The Yeti Nano is a microphone made for streamers, podcasters, musicians and everyone who wants a great, affordable microphone that just works. The Blue Yeti Nano boosts premium quality for streaming, podcasting and music. With 24-bit 48 kHz recording capabilities, 2 pickup patterns and a fairly portable build, this condenser microphone can do a lot for a reasonable price. If you need a budget recording setup or just want good sound quality on your video, calls and streams, keep watching. The package is pretty simple. Inside the box you'll find the microphone, a USB cable and some papers as usual. Nothing very interesting here. It's really simple to use. Just connect this microphone to your computer, download the Sherpa app to control gain in different settings and you're ready to go. Let's talk about key features of this microphone. Low price. The most affordable microphone from Blue Yeti. Enhanced Blue Voice vocal effects in Sherpa app. Cardioid and Omni pickup patterns. Select what is more suitable for you. Support sample rates up to 24-bit 48 kHz. No-latency headphone output. Perfect for podcasting, game streaming, Skype calls, YouTube or music recording. Plug and play. Mac and PC compatible. No additional setup required. Standard threading for optional Radius 3 shock mount. It can be used in studio. As I mentioned before, it has two modes of recording. Cardioid mode, perfect for podcasts with a single host, game streaming, Skype calls, vocal performances, voiceovers and instruments. Cardioid mode records sound sources that are directly in front of the microphone, delivering rich, full-bodied sound. It means that it will capture just your voice and not all ambient noises around you. It's perfect for recording interviews in noisy places, or it can be used by video game streamers. Omnidirectional mode. Record or stream sound equally from all around the mic. Omnidirectional mode is best used in situations when you want to have a conference call with multiple participants in the same room, or a multi-person interview on a podcast, or you just want to keep all sounds of the room for some reason. This mic has a headphone monitoring volume dial, but there is no indicator that conveys your volume level. You can adjust gain and headphone volume in the Blue Sherpa app and mute the mic by pressing the headphone dial on the microphone, which turns red when muted. You get two ports, a 3.5 headphone jack for live monitoring, as well as micro USB port for connecting to your computer. Setting up the Blue Yeti Nano is really easy. Just plug it into your computer using the USB connector. If you want to adjust the settings on your computer, you can install the Blue Sherpa software. It's available for Mac and Windows. Blue Sherpa makes it easy to control the gain, headphone monitoring volume and pickup patterns. Sherpa can also let you adjust EQ and apply different preset effects to gain the sound you want from the microphone. You can choose to have a flat sound, warm and vintage sound, or anything in between. Pros: excellent audio quality. Two capsules provide cardioid or omnidirectional polar patterns. Headphone jack with low latency monitoring. Low price. Cons: it requires desktop Sherpa app or OS adjustments to modify gain levels. No USB-C. Old-style USB connector. The Blue Yeti Nano is a fantastic choice for people who want to upgrade their podcasting or streaming setup from their phone mic or mobile shotgun mic to something better. This USB condenser microphone will increase the quality of your recordings without forcing you to spend a fortune on a good setup. It's also great for recording songs if you are making music at home and you want to have a good quality recordings. And now I would like to demonstrate to you a difference between two recording modes, cardioid mode and omnidirectional mode. So as for now, my microphone is in cardioid mode, which means it captures only my voice and just a little bit all the ambient noises around me. So you are probably not hearing all the noisy cars in my street. Unfortunately, I'm living in a pretty noisy place. I live in Paris, so cars and scooters are just, wow, it's a nightmare. I don't know if you hear some cars or some noises, but me personally, I hear them pretty well. Now I will try to click my mouth. Let's say I'm doing a tutorial, I'm explaining something and I'm clicking with my mouse. You'll probably hear a little bit the clicking sound, but it will not be very noisy. Now I will try typing. And actually my keyboard is pretty close to my microphone, so when I'm talking and typing at the same time, you will probably not hear the typing sound. It will be less annoying for you in this cardioid mode. Now let me switch to the omnidirectional mode. As I said earlier, omnidirectional mode captures the whole sounds inside the room, so it will not be concentrated only on my voice, it will capture everything, so you'll hear probably more ambient noises like cars and clicking typing sounds. Now I switch the mode. Okay, now I will try typing. I don't know if you hear the difference, but it's really annoying. Motorcycles. Conclusion: the Yeti Nano gets most things right, from its low latency headphone jack monitoring to its dual mic patterns and its crisp, clear audio quality. If you're looking for an affordable, multi-purpose, small microphone, the Blue Yeti Nano is a perfect choice for you. By the way, if you want to check how this microphone sounds, I already made several videos on my YouTube channel using this Blue Yeti Nano mic, so go and check my videos and you will have an idea how this microphone sounds. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech-oriented videos and check out my other videos on my channel as well. Thanks for watching, see you next time on YouTube, bye bye.